Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to fix a broken zipper using a common dinner fork. First, gather your tools, a standard metal fork and a pair of small pliers. Next, carefully examine your broken zipper. Identify the slider that has come off its tracks. Ensure the zipper teeth on both sides are clean and free from any fabric or debris, and try to align them as straight as possible before proceeding to the next step. Now, let's get that slider back on track. Take your zipper slider and carefully place it onto the middle two tines of your fork. The fork will act as a stable holder. With the slider held securely, gently guide one side of the zipper teeth into the slider's opening. Then, carefully repeat this process for the other side, making sure both sets of teeth are properly engaged within the slider's two channels. This step requires a steady hand. To prevent network conflicts, you must change the NetEase router's LAN IP address. Navigate to the Network or LAN Settings area. Assign a static IP address that is on the same subnet as your main router, but outside its DHCP range. For example, if your main router is 192.168.1.1, you might set the NetEase to 192.168.1.250. This ensures both routers can coexist without issues. Finally, it's time to test your repair. Gently move the zipper slider up and down the tracks several times to ensure it operates smoothly and stays engaged. For even smoother operation, you can rub a graphite pencil along the zipper teeth as a lubricant. To prevent future issues, avoid overfilling bags or clothing items, which can put excessive strain on zippers. With these simple steps, your zipper should be good as new for many uses to come.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.